Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make Kinder Maxi King.
Now we're going to cut some wafer sheet to the shape of the ball. So we now tinfoil the ball, then we're going to melt some chocolate. Glue the pieces into the ball. Okay, we place it to the bottom of the ball. Then we're going to make the sides. Just we're gonna make the same thing. Glue it to the side, all the way around with the chocolate. Then we continue all the way around.
Now we're going to make the cream. We add 200 ml whipping cream and 2 tablespoons icing sugar. I add 1 cream stabilizer and I mix it together until it's cream. Now this cream is ready, so I'm going to make another cream. We're going to add 300 grams of mascarpone cheese to the bowl. And I put 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. And I mix it together now with the mixer. About 3 minutes. And after, I put my first cream together. And I mix it together with the mixer again.
Now we're going to add the filling to the half. Okay, so we're going to make the side. Then we leave some space for the caramel.
Now I'm going to melt the caramel. Now I put tablespoon of whipping cream and I put the caramel in the bowl. So now we're gonna add the caramel. Now we're going to add the remaining cream on the top.
So we're going to add the top now and put some chocolate on top of it, cover it. Then after we're gonna place it in the fridge for 2 hours until it's cooled down.
So now we're gonna put the chocolate and we put the almond too. We're gonna cover the almond with chocolate. Now the Kinder Maxi King is ready. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.